Join me as I test drive this trading strategy in real time before putting my money on the line. When it comes to trading, having a solid strategy is crucial to achieving success. After all, it's what sets the pros apart from the amateurs. A well-thought-out strategy can help you navigate the ever-changing market conditions, minimize losses, and maximize profits. So, it's no wonder that investors are always on the lookout for the next big strategy that will give them an edge over the competition. One mistake I see many traders make is jumping headfirst into investing without properly testing their strategy. They get caught up in the excitement of potentially big returns and neglect to do their due diligence. But this can be a recipe for disaster. Without thoroughly backtesting and refining their strategy, traders are left flying blind, with no idea if their approach will actually work in real-world market conditions. This is where so many traders go wrong. They assume that their strategy will perform just as well in live markets as it did in theory. But we all know that's not always the case. Markets are unpredictable, and what works on paper doesn't always translate to real-world success. And yet, time and time again, I see traders making this critical mistake. They're so eager to start trading that they skip over the testing phase, and it ends up costing them dearly. It's not just a matter of being patient, either. Testing a strategy requires a lot of work and dedication. You need to comb through historical data, set up simulated trading accounts, and refine your approach until you're confident it will hold up in any market conditions. It's a tedious process, but one that's essential to achieving long-term success. Another reason traders often neglect to test their strategy is that they don't know how. They're unsure of what methods to use, what data to analyze, or how to interpret the results. But that's no excuse. As traders, we need to be willing to learn and adapt, to stay ahead of the curve. And that means putting in the effort to develop and test our strategies, no matter how difficult it may seem. So, how do we test our trading strategies effectively? One way is through backtesting, which involves applying your strategy to historical market data to see how it would have performed in the past. This gives you a clear picture of its strengths and weaknesses, and helps you refine your approach. Another method is paper trading, where you simulate trades using fake money to see how your strategy performs in real time. Both of these methods have their benefits, and when combined, can give you a complete picture of your strategy's potential. Let's take backtesting, for example. By analyzing historical data, you can identify trends, patterns, and inefficiencies in the market that your strategy can exploit. You can see how your strategy would have performed during times of high volatility, or how it would have handled sudden market shifts. This information is invaluable, as it helps you make informed decisions about your trades. And when you combine backtesting with paper trading, you get a robust testing process that leaves no stone unturned. This is just one example of the power of testing your trading strategy. By putting in the effort to develop and refine your approach, you can achieve remarkable results. So, don't be tempted to skip over this critical step. Take the time to test your strategy, and you'll be rewarded with greater confidence, fewer losses, and more profits. You may also like to check out my #1 recommended trading indicator that I have been using for some time now, and which has produced some very healthy profits from my winning trades. You can find out more about this by clicking the link in the description box below this video. In conclusion, testing your trading strategy is an essential part of achieving success in the markets. Don't risk your hard-earned money on unproven approaches. Take the time to backtest, paper trade, and refine your strategy until you're confident it will perform in any market conditions. If you've got a trading strategy that you've successfully tested, share your experience with us in the comments below. And if you're new to trading, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.